How about rent by tenant? Can tenant put that in tax relief? Okay, this is a question I got on YouTube with regards to can rental be deducted for tax relief? Because we are talking about interest can be deducted, right? But now this audience is asking about rental. Can it be deducted? The answer is no. And do you know why interest can deduct tax but rental cannot deduct tax? Actually, the government wants you to spend. The government wants you to own. When you own, you spend more. Okay? So the government can actually earn more. The companies can actually earn more. The banks especially, because you pay interest mah. Okay? The developers, the agents, the contractors, everybody can earn more. So means the industry is growing. What does this mean? This means is there's activity, economic activity, and economic activity is the one that make up the GDP of the country. Okay, so by allowing you to deduct rental from your taxes, it doesn't encourage you to own. Okay, that is why they do not give. If rental deduct tax, they do not give. Okay, so I hope that you understand, and especially when being a consumer, right? Consumer here, the government wants you to be a consumer, actually, because the economy is moving. But it doesn't mean that you follow everything. If you need to rent, and I highly encourage you to rent while you are building your financials and financial stability, financial capability, until that you are ready to own. Okay? No joke, man. In this day and age, right? Or any day and age, owning a house is one of the biggest expenses one can have monthly. Okay? And if you buy a wrong property, it can actually drain you. So be careful. At least have rental, you have the flexibility. So I hope that answers the question. The bottom line is that you need to understand that rent is not allowed to deduct tax, but interest is allowed. Okay, so the government want to encourage you to own and consume so that you move the GDP. Okay, GDP is sum of economic activity of a country. That means basically give people business lah. Just layman term, give people business so that the economy can move, the money changes hands, business can run, they can pay the employees, all those things. GDP is just the big picture. Okay, this is Kenny here from Problem Stories. Bye bye.